Swing. Show Pop how you can swing. Ashley, give Allison a push. That's the way. Thank you. Not too much. Hey, Put. Hey, Put. Okay, we're taking a tour. Tell me what it's all about now. Right. Right. Okay. So that's a lawnmower. Yeah. Right. And that's a big John Deere back there, and there's a three-wheeler. And there's a step ladder, and there's his tools, and his workbench. And there's a map of what? Uh-huh. Okay. Well, I believe we got everything. Watch that swing. Oh. Okay. Okay, sweet pie.
Come on.
Not too fast for me. Wait for Pop. Wait for Pop. Right, I see it.
My window, go point to it. My friend's going to point to the window.
That's it right there, yeah, okay.
Okay. Well, here's the wheel for. Oh.
And who lives down the street where the van is at? And there's a cat.
So you can take a tour.
Hello.
They want this.
What?
They want to be on TV.
Who is? Who does?
The boys down there.
Oh, no, we're not going down there.
Oh.
Nah. I just want to take them across the street. You see him? See the black cat, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where you going? Where y'all going, huh? That's my bed.
So This is the inside of my house. Mommy, you're a what feeder? Having a tour. This is the inside of my house.
Oh, no, don't tour my house.
It's a junk, but
What?
it's a wreck.
It is a wreck. Come on, you're kidding me.
Don't go anywhere but in there.
Okay.
Well, we're not going to go anywhere but in here.
Okay, we're not.
In the kitchen.
We're not.
Kitchen.
Okay.
Black.
It sure is your homework, huh? Golly, look at that.
And this is my grade for today.
What did you get?
An A minus.
I gotta see it. Let me see it.
I got an A, okay?
Okay, you got an A. Oh, excuse me.
No, we don't. Okay, we have a tour of the kitchen. Hoorah! No. Pumpkin, Ashley? Okay, get the pumpkin. It's pretty good.
Yeah. There's only one thing I don't like about it.
What?
The price.
Yeah, well.
The price. You know, I want to get a shot of the beauties here.
Look at that little one.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Put it in your bag. Thank you. What's that? Sure, the bubble gum.
Ooh.
Oh, Lord.
Oh.
Sure good now.
You can't